Features. Bats have several distinct features that help us identify them. 1. Wings. Bats are the only mammals that have wings. Their wings are formed by a thin membrane of skin called the patagium, which stretches between elongated fingers and extends down to their hind limbs. This adaptation allows bats to fly and maneuver in the air. 2. Nocturnal behavior. Most bats are nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night. This is reflected in their physical adaptations, such as large eyes specialized for low light conditions and echolocation abilities to navigate and locate prey in the dark. 3. Echolocation. Bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt for food. They emit high-frequency sounds and listen for the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment. This helps them determine the location, distance, and movement of objects, including prey. 4. Teeth and diet. Bats have specialized teeth adapted to their specific diet. Some bats have sharp teeth for capturing and consuming insects, while others have longer, sharper teeth for feeding on fruits, nectar, or even blood in the case of vampire bats. 5. Unique skeletal structure. Bats have a unique skeletal structure that supports their wings. Their fingers are elongated and connected by a thin membrane of skin, forming the framework for the wings. Additionally, their bones are lightweight and flexible to aid in flight. 6. Varied sizes and colors. Bats come in various sizes and colors. Some species are relatively small, like the bumblebee bat, which is considered the world's smallest mammal. Others, like the flying foxes, can have a wingspan of several feet. Bats also exhibit a wide range of colors and patterns, depending on the species. These distinguishing features collectively make bats unique among mammals and help us identify them. However, it's important to note that there are many different species of bats, each with its own specific characteristics and adaptations.